else I can help you with?
No, that'll be all.
Very well. Before I go, I have something for you, mein Führer. A gift to celebrate your return. God! Well, I know how much you enjoy executing rule breakers, and this one has broken many of them. We discovered this Jewess handing her rations to the work camp children, strictly against camp rules, of course.
Those children were starving.
Oh, this must be hard. I hear your doppelganger on Earth One loved a woman who looks just like this. Did you really think I would hand you a loaded weapon before? Verify who you are!
No, you're fine, you're fine. Just take this and go.
Why are you doing this?
It's the strong's duty to protect the weak. Take it and go.
Go! Clear. How did it... Oh.
Barry, we have a problem. The gateway control's been damaged.
We can't turn it on?
We can't turn it on here, but there should be a manual override at the platform.
All right, we're gonna have to fight our way through.
What do you mean? Call it back.
Too late. It's been programmed. There's no changing course now.
You said we'd have an hour.
Yeah, well, I changed my mind.
The team hasn't gone through the breach yet.
That team has nothing to do with us or saving our planet. And everyone who can threaten it is on the other side of that breach. They are not coming back through.
General, Leo, enough.
I'm not risking any more time. We are blowing it up.
Guys, we have a problem.
What kind of problem?
A weapon is heading to blow up the facility.
A weapon? You mean a missile?
Not exactly.